and welcome to Tiny Day. Today I have a new toy to play with and it's Snake Cube. It's 36 pieces and today we are going to make a giraffe. Let's learn how to make it. So for the head we have to do two pieces like this or one piece like this. So then move to the back and then we have to count 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and then hold the white one and that we have to twist this 2 times, this blue one. And then we have to hold this blue one that we twisted 2 times and we have to twist this white one 2 times. And then it could look like this. And then after that, here we have to count 1, 2 and hold the blue one and twist the white one 2 times again like this. And then 1, 2, 3 we have to hold the blue one again. We have to twist the blue one 2 times again. How many 1, 2 feet were here? So 1, 2 feet will be here. We have to hold the white one and twist the blue one same 2 times. And then we have to hold this blue one and twist this white one 2 times like this. And then for his tail we have to do like this. Yeah. This is a giraffe. Now this is a giraffe we made and well done. You made very well. So this is the long neck of the giraffe and these are the small feet. And I don't know what is this, but I definitely know this is a tail. The giraffe is complete. And if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe and click the bell button. See you next time. Bye.